In this video, I will show you how to find calls recording on your Android phone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your Android phone dialer. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate a particular call that you record. Locate a particular contact call you record. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular contact right here. So next thing you want to do from the contact, click on this particular icon. And it's going to open up like so. Next thing we want to do right here is to simply click on call recordings. And you have access to all the record you have made so far on that particular contact. You can review and use this method to receive and see all the calls recording that you have been doing so far in your Android phone. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like about Android device like this, consider how to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.